receives information on breaking news and more bold, inspiring for America.
All right, thank you. Plan to retrieve the high-flying balloon, the reconnaissance balloon, or to blow it out of the sky. Pretty much the only two options I would have. That would be question I'm thinking in my mind, do the Chinese have the technology to detonate the balloon? Do they have that technology? I don't know if they do or not. That would be an interesting question. A lot of details to pass on to you about all. Sensitive over airspace in Taiwan that is not theirs, that is flying their fighter jets all over Taiwan, violating their day in and day out, trying to lecture America about our high level officials. McCarthy going over to our ally Taiwan, that we're letting them get away with this. There's been a calculation here. This is not an accident. One consequence to date is that Winkin' Tony Blinken postponed his trip. That is actually in our favor because he's so pathetically weak that President Xi will roll him. And he's not particularly bright either, on top of everything. You know, this is a surveillance balloon. This is what this is. And what we're being told is, well, it's a civilian research airship from China. Are you Adam Schiff? Because I'm not. What is wrong with these people? How long have you been tracking? I want the Pentagon Brigadier General Pat Ryder saying that the government's, well, they're tracking the Chinese balloon once it was detected. They acted to protect against collection of sensitive information. What acts did you take? Did you let the balloon make it over the continental United States into our airspace? Why did you let that happen? That would be, you know, allowing the communist Chinese to just basically do what they want. You go try and fly a balloon over China. Good luck to you. You know, why are we letting the communist Chinese? Why do we have to have Republicans now fighting to pass a bill, as they are, rightly so, to prevent Biden from selling our strategic petroleum reserves to our #1 geopolitical threat, China? Why would we ever do that when they are depleted at a 50-year low because Joe Biden thought it was a national emergency with the elections and the high price of gasoline? He wanted to artificially reduce the price, so he used up half of it, and Democrats losing an election is not by definition a national emergency. You know, why are we allowing the communist Chinese to buy up farmland like we are, and ranch land like we are? And why are we allowing the communist Chinese to buy land near our own military installations? How stupid, you know how stupid that President Xi must think that we are? And I'll tell you right now, this wouldn't have happened under Trump. Donald Trump was feared by the likes of Putin and President Xi. And you know what? You didn't see the hostilities like this happening with President Trump. And I'll tell you what the factor is, the it factor. You know, I used to hate the word gravitas. Here was the thing. The guy that wrote those tweets that annoyed everybody in the media and would have them hyperventilating and feigning moral outrage because they read his tweet, and the press is the enemy of the people. Oh, the vapors. Oh. Well, that guy put fear into the heart. You know why? Because they thought he was crazy enough he might do it, whatever it would be necessary. They believed it. They have assessed what I have assessed, and all of you in this audience have assessed, that we have a weak, frail, cognitive mess as a commander-in-chief. The Chinese surveillance balloon is violating U.S. airspace. Even General Pat Ryder said that, and it's unacceptable. If it's unacceptable, why haven't they acted yet? Why is this taking so long? And then he goes on to say that it has the ability to maneuver, but won't say if it's going to be shot down. Now, I can give you some more details about this. We don't know how long they've been tracking it. Last I checked, it was over Missouri, so I'm sure the balloon doesn't fly that fast. Maybe it does. I don't know. Maybe it's a super hypersonic balloon. No idea. I don't know that much about balloons, but 2 Air Force F-22 fighters did scramble from Nellis Air Force Base in Nevada to Montana. Earlier today it was in Montana. The last I heard it was over Missouri, and the balloon was observed before the administration. They decided not to shoot it down. I want to know why they decided not to shoot it down. I want to know if they're planning on retrieving that balloon, and if there's a way to retrieve that balloon. I mean, we could send people to the moon. They can land, they can walk around a little bit, pick up some rocks, and put the rocks on their ship and come on home and land safely and be alive. If we can do that, I'm pretty confident we'd have the ability to retrieve a Chinese balloon, reconnaissance balloon, flying over our country. China says they're looking into reports that one of its spy balloons has been flying in U.S. airspace. Are you kidding me? Do you believe that is complete atom bullshit? It's total BS. None of that is true. They're lying to us. Now, it was flying over Montana. Senator Daly is alarmed at this, said it's a significant concern because we have ICBM fields in Montana. The communist Chinese know that. Speaker McCarthy called this, a briefing of the Gang of Eight. Where's Joe Biden going this weekend? Last I heard, his plans to go to Delaware were still in effect. We get an update on that? What Joey's planning this weekend? He spent 40% of his time outside the White House anyway, and he's useless. Congressman Mike Waltz is not hyperbole in saying America is under assault. And then when I hear and read Chinese spy balloon has been tracked over the U.S. this week, I want to know why we weren't told immediately, or action wasn't taken immediately. So they canceled it. Blinken. Who cares? It's meaningless to me. And the GOP is rightfully, apoplectic about this and tearing into Biden after the Pentagon announced the discovery of this reconnaissance surveillance balloon. Well, nice of you to get on board. When are we going to get an intelligence briefing? When are we going to see some action? I mean, there can be no doubt about this. They are spying on us, and we're allowing it to happen. Unbelievable. One Democratic senator urged Apple and Google to ban TikTok. They've been spying on us through TikTok. Kristi Noem, I think, was the first person. We had her on when she did it, and so many other Republican governors have followed. They're banning TikTok because they have now figured out TikTok is a spying mechanism of the communist Chinese. I had to explain that to my own daughter. Loves TikTok. I'm like, no, TikTok, stay off it. Get it off your phone. Get a new phone. It's like unbelievable. One of the things that I have been warning everybody about is we got this new axis of evil, and it was written about earlier today, and that is this unholy alliance with our number one geopolitical threat, China, our number two geopolitical threat, Russia, and then, of course, nobody else in the mob, the media, will raise the question when you talk about all of the money's reported deals with the Bidens and the communist Chinese and the Russian oligarchs. One has to say and ask the question, is our president, is that why they are emboldened in the case of Putin to invade Ukraine the way he has, now in the case of China to send a reconnaissance balloon to spy on us? It's pretty unbelievable to me. Now, China has confirmed through its spokesman that it is a civilian research airship. I'm not believing a word that they say. And if their civilian research airship got into our airspace, it's now ours. It's not yours anymore. We will own that. Now, I don't know if they have the ability to blow it up themselves, but they confirmed today that the balloon flying over the continental United States is their airship. They're calling it a civilian research craft. Well, keep your research craft over your own airspace and stay the hell out of our airspace. The Canadian government is also monitoring. They suspect a Chinese spy balloon. They're saying, though, the Canadians are safe. I don't think anybody knows they're safe. We don't know what they're up to, and that's the problem. And they're not in this, they ought to be in the situation. And if I'm the president, imagine for a minute, I know it's laughable, I don't want to be president. I can tell you what I'd be doing right now. I'd bring in the best military minds, retired, active duty, into the Situation Room, and I would pick their brains, and I would know everything I can know about what was in that balloon, And then I would want what options are available. Good leaders, when they run meetings, they sit back, they listen to every option, and then the commander-in-chief, if he would even know that today's Friday, would be able to make a decision on how to handle this hostile attack by the Communist Chinese. Now, my first choice would be, although I would listen to every option on the table, is can we recover this and see what is inside the reconnaissance surveillance balloon? Maybe it's technology we don't have. They steal our technology. The Communist Chinese, intellectual property theft, they're the experts at it. They have in that balloon that maybe we don't have, and maybe even steal from them. Anyway, China launches an investigation into the balloon. Oh, okay, like I really trust. U.S. Philippines announced a new agreement to ramp up military presence amid the China-Taiwan. Let me predict for you what Joe Biden would do when China eventually, and I think they will, quote, reunify. They call it reunification with Taiwan. We call it what it is. They want to take over an innocent sovereign country, and the United States has an agreement not to let them do that. You know what I think America's going to do if Joe Biden's president and China makes that move? They're not going to do a damn thing under Joe Biden. And that calculation has already been made by all hostile regimes, including Russia, China, Iran, North Korea, you name the hostile nation, and they're all thinking the same way. How did this possibly happen? That is the biggest question of all. How did this happen? And what are you going to do to fix this? And why are you waiting so long? And why is the only consequence that Blinken postpones his trip to China? That actually is a blessing to us. He is weak and he is stupid. He is not the smartest, there's not a light on in there somewhere. He's missing a couple of light bulbs. Balloon does not present a military threat, according to the Pentagon spokesperson. How do you know that?
Nice.
They don't know what they're saying. They just say it, what, to make us feel better? That doesn't make me feel better in any way, shape, manner, or form. It's unbelievable to me. That's it. Lincoln's trip postponed. They fly it over American airspace. Putin is testing the world. He's about to launch an unstoppable hypersonic missile during war games with China and South Africa. You don't think hostilities are now a big problem? By the way, do you think Joe Biden and the Biden family syndicate is compromised in any of this? Is that in any way inhibiting his ability to respond? I don't know. You think Donald Trump's kids got the money that Hunter and his brother Jim got from China, Russia, Ukraine, and elsewhere? These deals that they made? We're getting all the details of? You think that, how do you think the media mob and the Democrats would react? All right, these are tough economic times. I want all of you to do the best you can by and save money wherever you can. That's where my cell phone company, Talk, comes in. They have the same exact cell towers that they use as the big carriers, AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. They have the same network. You'll have the same number of coverage bars on your phone. You keep your phone, you keep your phone number, and you can switch over in less than a few minutes, and they'll give you your first month risk-free. Average family saving close to $1,000 a year. Many families are saving much more. You get blazing fast data, unlimited talk and text. That's only $30 a month. First month risk-free. Try it. If you're not completely happy with Pure Talk, you get your money back. No risk to you at all. Takes minutes to make the switch and save all this money for the same service. Dial pound 250. Say the keyword save now. Do it now. You save an additional 50% off your first month. Pound 250. Keyword save now from Pure Talk. Simply smarter wireless.
Joe abandoned our men and women in his watch when the bodies came home. Is this really the America we want?
This is important here.
You're on the Sean Hannity Show.
Power Talk 1460 and FM 101.1.
Trump last year had a record number of school shooting victims. Now in active shooter incidents, lockdown and locked doors impede law enforcement's access. Now with Knox and law enforcement have access to key cards, keys, floor plans, and getting them into those locked doors. Get knocks. Just go to schoolentry.com. The website schoolentry.com. Schoolentry.com.
Did you know 1 in 4 vet visits involve skin and coat issues? And 70% of your pet's immune system is in their gut? Dinovite nutritional supplement has key nutrients for your pet's digestive tract, skin and coat, and immune system for an all-around healthier pet. Get a free probiotics booster with your purchase of Dinovite for dogs by using code DO at dinovite.com.
Happier, healthier with every bite. Over 1 million pets helped with Dinovite.
I've told you about my lower back pain and how kneeling in church on Sunday was becoming nearly unbearable. Sebastian Gorka here. I've also told you about how Relief Factor has helped almost eliminate my pain. Now, let me tell you what Robert California says about his experience with Relief Factor. Robert writes, I didn't think Relief Factor was working until I ran out mid-month. After about the pain was back to where it started. It was a great test for me to see how much Relief Factor really works. 3 weeks from now, you could be doing the things you enjoy. Love. Your first step to becoming pain-free from aches and pains from daily living could be a week quick start for only $19.95. After trying Relief Factor, over 500,000 people have gone on to order more. Go to relieffactor.com or call 800 more relief to find out about this offer. That's relieffactor.com or call 800 the number 4 relief. Feel the difference with Relief Factor.
Binge listen this and all your artist stations, plus any song from our library of millions of songs, all ad-free. Get your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access. You'll love it. Don't be basic, be extra. Start your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access now.
Dancing crew, trip for 2, nailed the final interview. Game with Doug, brand new mug. Come here, kid, give me a hug. The more you want to do, the more we want to do. New COVID-19 boosters designed for recent Omicron variants are now. Learn about eligibility and schedule a free updated booster today at vaccines.gov. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
I never chose to become a gambling addict, but what I did choose was to get help from a professional counselor.
For no-cost gambling addiction counseling, call 1-800-GAMBLER or text SUPPORT to 5342. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
NBA fans, it's time to the palm of your hand with DraftKings Sportsbook, an official sports betting partner of the NBA. This week, new customers can bet $5 and win $200 in free bets instantly. Download the app now and sign up with code IHEART. New customers can bet $5 on the NBA and get $200 in free bets instantly. Only at DraftKings Sportsbook, an official sports betting partner of the NBA, with code IHEART.
Nice.
21 and over in most eligible states, but age varies by jurisdiction. Void in Ontario and Ohio. Bonus issued as free bets. Often required. Eligibility, wagering, and deposit restrictions apply. Terms at sportsbook.draftkings.com/basketball terms. See draftkings.com/sportsbook for details and state-specific responsible gambling resources. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-GAMBLER. That's 1-800-426-2537. In New York, call 877-8-HOPE-NY or text HOPE-NY 467-369.
If you own a business, this has been a bumpy ride from the pandemic to inflation. I'm sure you could use a break right about now. Hi, friends. Sam Shane here. If your business has 5 or more employees and you managed to survive COVID, to receive a payroll tax rebate of up to $26,000 for each employee. It's not a loan, no payback. It's a refund of your taxes. The challenge is getting your hands on it. How do you cut through the red tape and get your business the refund money? The simple answer, go to getrefunds.com. They have a team of tax attorneys. They've already returned $1 billion to businesses, and they can help you too. They do all the work. No charge up front. Share a percentage of the cash that they get for you, and businesses of all types can qualify, including those that took PPP, nonprofits, even those that had an increase in sales. To find out if your business qualifies, just go to getrefunds.com, click on Qualify Me, and answer a few questions. This payroll tax refund, it is only available for a limited amount of time, so don't miss out. Getrefunds.com. That's getrefunds.com.
Go to liveunited.org.